to kichopo timi imi microphone.
Tilo salama.
Why ni mundo giena.
I don't want to watch an Oscar ni Angesia Martin. Nico Joanna Irrigation Scheme.
Yes.
I was a part of the consultants.
Okay.
Manokele to what it is today. The people who designed it, the people who made sure that it was revived. Actually, my document is in SIA.
Okay.
I discussed this with Governor Orengo. The Mundo implemented, and Ananoka national government is implementing it. I watch a Manone Kidusido no actually. One of the key strategic investment areas, SIA Majina Law, watching low-hanging fruit, like Anyiko Joan irrigation scheme, Yala Swamp, and we're talking about gima fertilizers, we're talking about gima P, we're talking about gima rech. You see that? Those are low-hanging fruits. The question more in watching before we climb up to a national conference on our investment. What have we done about the low-hanging fruit?
Amaja International.
Amaja International. Okay. Oh, I understand. Low-hanging fruits. Mention. Itimie ango. Nikechimagi kende maunuje. Watch mar factory and storage mar rech ni. And gima joluo from the beginning. Tonyo gedwa time. In fact, joluo se go kata Kisumu njero factory moro nananoka. Capital Fish in or Bay at one point. Capital Fish no be me watch no gero madung not deceit too, but one of the places man obedo bombed in Nairobi. Nga habuon kanye manogero ka. Iminja gi pesa mawuok nam kan. Pesa mawuok namwa nyenyi. Kisumu njero bedgi factory ujiro bedgi cold room gi na Bay ujiro bedgi mari siabu ujiro bedgi mari makoro kwadwa also fish international. In fact, one of the reasons Mama Kisumu no get international airport any mondo wakao fish wagolka to the oko direct, but again Kisumu be any international airport to kinye to Kenya International Airport. Magobe gikmanya ka wawachi. Nikech Kisumu ereka kudo wacho ni international airport to onge ndege mawuok kanyo direct madhi Uganda bathwa kanyo and 1 hour flight madhi Tanzania kanyo to nikech waonge gi gimiluongo ni hangar en kuma kandego land to ndege nyalo wacho ni okay gimoro fuse moro kethore waloso fuse mondo ndege otimre nade owuogi kineno ka ndeke mang'eny mawuok oko biro Kenya ka gibedo diverted to either Dar es Salaam or Mombasa to one gi na international airport Kisumu to onge hanga kori mima ima siabe wadwa ng'eyo to gik magimiyo investments mane magimayowa mondo giket gi things in an open way mondo ji oneni wabiro invest